Hey, world is changing and technological shift is happening rapidly. In future, many jobs will disappear. Today, I'm going to share you 5 jobs that will disappear in 10 years. Number 1, drivers. The world will always have few drivers and we will probably still be driving in 10 years. But the driving profession will have far less scope and they will have to struggle to find job. Some of the self-driving cars are already running on the road, like self-driving Uber cars in Pittsburgh. When the switch happens, it is not just our personal vehicles that will be self-driven. It will be Uber vehicles, big trucks, public buses, everything will be driven automatically. So those people who are into this profession or they are thinking to build career in this profession, they have to think of this technological shift and work on alternative jobs. Number 2, cashiers. Self-checkout stations are expanding already. At our Walmart store, as of today, there are less number of checkout stops by humans than self-checkouts. I prefer self-checkouts at grocery stores because mostly I don't have to wait for the self-checkouts. And we use it in gas stations, restaurants, and we like this self-payment. Fast food restaurants now let you order and pay using your smartphone from the parking lot. Number 3, waitress and bartenders. This trend has already begun. I have been to a restaurant where robots serve you the food. The Naulo restaurant at Capital Mall, Darbar Mark in Kathmandu, Nepal has a menu embedded in digital screen which are installed in the table. After the food is ready, the robots collect the dishes from the kitchen counter and approach towards a customer's table. The digital advancement and robots will soon replace this job. So prepare for the future. Number 4, accountants and tax preparers. Boring and repetitive jobs will be taken over by machines. Most people have simple needs of tax preparation that can easily be made by software. Tax preparation softwares have already been in market for more than 10 years. Rich people and large corporations will still need tax preparation people, but the scope will not be like today. Number 5, construction worker. Technology is getting more efficient and fewer specialized workers will be needed at the job site. For example, robots can lay bricks better and 3 times as fast as the fastest human being. This trend has already started in construction industry. Now, how can you prepare for the future? This is a big question. So I'm going to give you some tips that can help you to prepare for the future. We know that it is very difficult to know what kind of job you are going to be doing even a few years in the future. In the meantime, there are a few things that are clear as far as what you can do to prepare for whatever comes next. No matter how old are you. Number one, whatever you do, get good at it. There will be less work for people who are mediocre. Number two, become a self-directive learner. So you can acquire as much in the way of skill and knowledge as possible on your own. Number three, work hard and learn something new and try to improve every day. The future is not belongs to the slackers, at least for a while. If we get to the point where machines are doing everything, we have to get good at slacking. Number four, consider taking as many science, engineering, and programming courses as possible. In future, featuring more and more robots, you want to be designing, maintaining, or supervising them rather than being replaced by them. Even if you don't want to get serious about programming, at least learn how to create and maintain an attractive website. Number five, creative people will always be in demand. Some might argue that creativity cannot be taught, but most educators believe that it can be facilitated. Number six, artistic skills will be in demand. Everything you see in television, print media, and the internet was created in part by artists. Number seven, develop network. Most people get their job by way of word of mouth. In addition to working hard to become highly skilled and creative, make sure that as many people as possible, in addition to family, friends, know what you can do. Rather than resume, put samples based on your website, what you can do.